in the belly area, part 6. Hey there, this is Bronwen Oehlschlager, and welcome to my channel, Bronwen Oehlschlager. We're talking about living life free of emotional eating and loving yourself slim. I hope you'll subscribe because we are going through 46 things that are hiding in the belly area, emotional things that are sending us to the fridge to get comfort, and then we have these physical layers going on the outside as a result. But when we deal with these emotional things in a healthy way, then we can have a real shift, and that's what we're doing here. So today, I've got 46 things that I've discovered are hiding in the belly area, and I'm still on the hunt. I may find more, and we'll see. We may do another series. But for now, we're just going to talk about one of them. Thing number 6 that's hiding in the belly fat: feeling undue tension, fear, anxiety, and otherwise restricting your energy flow and just holding yourself down, holding yourself back. Fear. If you've ever had, you're in a situation and you feel like you're happy-go-lucky, everything's fine, and then something happens, you feel like, whoa! And then you feel like you have to run to the fridge to comfort yourself, because some of us actually have believed that that's the only thing that could comfort us, but it's not. There's another way, and I'm wanting to help you learn that, and that's what we're doing here. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about what we can feel instead, because when those things happen, we've got our power kind of punched in the stomach, and then we've got these things kind of feeling like they're being screamed at our head. We think they're coming from inside of us, but these are just ideas that we bought. So let's talk about what we could put on instead, because this undue tension, fear, anxiety, we have power to feel differently inside rather than letting our circumstances choose for us how we feel. Our circumstances could stay the same. They don't always, because when we change, it sends ripples out into the world and the world around us changes. But let's say that they never do and we just want to feel better. What about that? I know that's a tricky one to get your head around, but I've experienced it myself. There are plenty of books out there helping you understand how that works, and I'm here to testify. I testify that it is true. Your circumstances may stay the same and you can still find a sense of peace, and you don't have to run to food to get it. So what I encourage you to do is just look at your situation. Look at this thing that you feel is causing you tension, fear, anxiety, undue tension, and otherwise restricting, like holding yourself down. If you feel like you're under a thumb, remember that that's up here. You have power to shift it. It's fabulous. So find the thing that flips that switch. Flick the old idea, put on something new that is so much nicer to think about. Recognize that when you hold in your mind that your situation is different now, when you hold that picture in your mind of what you want, and I've done this, it works. Hold it long enough. If you can hold it in your mind, you can experience it in your physical reality. Put that on instead. Put on that peace and that serenity, that joy, that fun, whatever it is, and see if you feel better. Thanks for watching this video. I'm super excited about going through all of these things. These are really core, important things. And if we keep holding on to this stuff, then we're just going to keep holding on to this fat. And sometimes we will lose it, and then we'll yo-yo because we're not really addressing the real issue. That's what we're doing on this channel. That's what I'm doing in my programs. If you want, there are some physical things that you can do to really support yourself. They're very, very simple. For me, I wasn't willing to do anything hard. If you go to realandslim.com, you can see my story, get my cheat sheet, and get on the road to your game plan and start changing your life. I'll talk to you later.